So here you go, YouTube. All my instrument panel, AC, everything was going haywire. Flashing, not turning on, not letting anything happen. The auxiliary battery was dead. So I figured, okay, it needs a new battery. So I put a new die-hard battery and decided to try something. So here it goes. So I'm going to turn it on and then I'll show you what I've done. Hold it, hold it. Let me get the keys. Where the keys at? Let's do this. Step on the brakes. Truck is on, guys. Hood's up, truck's on. No check engine, no nothing. Oh yeah, there it is. Check engine's right there. But I know why that is. And let me show you why. That's why. As you can see, I put a new auxiliary battery down there. The terminals, negative, positive, not even connected. So hopefully when we connect the new battery, everything will go back to normal and more flickering and more wipers.